We youngies came out on the street, you know. They had us, they were giving us directions, do this, do that. We were the ones that were doing. We got all brain drained, you know, that we've got to fight for Pakistan. Leke rahenge Pakistan, mar ke rahenge Pakistan, ji ke rahenge Pakistan. And you know, Pakistan, because in those days the older people didn't come out on the street. We said, never mind, even if the Muslim League gives a ticket to a poll also, we have to vote for that poll. In the referendum, see, we thought we have to win. So we went to vote, and I put in more than one vote, I think about 12, 13 votes. I went in burqa. She did about 6, 7 something different votes, you know, with different kind of put things on our face. We put burqa, we changed, you know, our chadar or whatever, and we went in and we jali votes we put in. And we were so proud of it, you know, because we had to get Pakistan. He was not there, he was at home. And then in the evening, I used to always sit with him and tell him the news, what's happening. That day, Zeenat and myself both sat there because we were so proud of ourselves to have voted so many. And he said, what happened? So I said, oh, this is like this, we're going to win because I put in so many votes. And Zeenat said, yes, I put in 6 or whatever votes.